welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. Guess what? Neha Kakkar trended more than coronavirus in India ever since this singer released one of her pictures on social media account announcing Khyal Rakhya Kar title song. People were so eager to know if she was really pregnant or not, and this has surpassed the trend of searching for coronavirus, and people were more interested in knowing if Neha Kakkar is pregnant or not. Finally, the mystery is solved. That was one of her publicity stunt for one of her upcoming songs, which has released today, titled Khyal Rakhya Kar, featuring her husband Rohan Preet Singh. Do you remember once Rakhi Sawant had shared a few pictures of her wedding where the husband was a mystery man? She never revealed who exactly he was. However, she did tell his name is Ritesh and that he is a UK-based businessman. Now, out of the blue, when Rakhi Sawant went to the Bigg Boss house, finally the husband has come in picture and he is saying that now he is ready to reveal his identity and also support his wife Rakhi Sawant, who is in the Bigg Boss house currently. He in fact said that the reason behind why he was closing his identity all this while was because he was being selfish and he was fearing trolls. He thought that once he will reveal his identity, people will start trolling him for being Rakhi Sawant's husband for what she has done in the past with Deepak Kala. He spoke about a lot of things, but now he thinks it's the time for him to come forward and support his wife. Actor Ayushmann Khurrana has once again collaborated with Junglee Pictures, who also produced his super hit films Badhai Ho and Bareli Ki Barfi. This time the movie title is Dr. G, where Ayushmann Khurrana will be seen in a doctor's avatar, which is going to be first time in the actor's career. Apart from that, let us also tell you that this movie is going to be a comedy film with a very amazing social message. For the past few days, people are talking about Ranbir Kapoor and Babita Kapoor's relationship and marriage, why they are living separately, since when they are living separately, and a lot more. In fact, a few days ago, Kareena Kapoor Khan also in an interview revealed that her parents lived separately after 1988 for whatsoever reasons, but always came together when the daughters needed them. Now Ranbir Kapoor also opened about it. He said he still loves his wife Babita Kapoor. They are not yet divorced. However, they chose to live separately because they had different preferences. And according to Ranbir Kapoor, Babita Kapoor thought that Ranbir Kapoor is someone who drank a lot and came home late, which she did not like. And finally, they decided to stay separately, but always be together when it comes to family and their daughters. Speaking of Kareena Kapoor, remember just recently Kareena Kapoor had revealed that actor Varun Dhawan has been engaged to his girlfriend Natasha Dalal. But now Varun Dhawan came in the picture and he said that no engagement ceremony had ever taken place. However, he said now the fact that Natasha Dalal is the one for him, if people will be spreading rumors like they're engaged to each other, if they're tying knot with each other in the coming year, he said he has nothing to do with it. But then he clarified that no engagement ceremony has taken place so far, or they're not going to tie the knot anytime soon because recently they lost one of the closest family member to the coronavirus. After Wajid Khan's death, now his wife Kamal Rukh is coming in picture, speaking about love jihad, and while talking about it, she also opened up about how Kamal Rukh and Wajid Khan had been constantly fighting over the fact that Wajid Khan wanted her to convert. Now, she is a Parsi who wanted to be as who she was, but later she said there always used to be faith issues with Wajid Khan and he always wanted her to convert, for which she also said that she used to be tortured, then she was threatened to be filed a divorce against her, and this apparently happened in the year 2014. These issues were not out until Kamal Rukh recently came and opened up about what she was facing through during the year 2014 till now when the actor was died. She also said that the last few days of Wajid Khan was very depressing because he could not meet his family members due to coronavirus. Priyanka Chopra Jonas's new picture, the White Tigers trailer, has finally out and it's an amazing trailer to look forward to. As soon as the trailer was released, a lot of people appreciated Priyanka Chopra's production, her acting, Rajkumar Rao's acting, and one comment that caught everyone's attention was Papa Jonas. Priyanka Chopra's father-in-law commented watching the White Tigers trailer and said he's looking forward to watch the film, and he also mentioned that he's very proud of his daughter-in-law. Now a lot of people have been talking about it and saying that Priyanka Chopra is one of the most favorite daughter-in-law of Papa Jonas. Actress Sunny Leone, who was in US all this while to keep her children safe from coronavirus, is finally gonna hit the screen through Vikram Bhatt's film Anamika. Now this is the update, but people are still not sure about the fact if Anamika is going to be a film for any OTT platform or for the theatres, or if it's going to be a web series. Actors Akshay Kumar and Sara Ali Khan, who are currently shooting for their upcoming film Atrangi Re, are having some fun on the sets, where Sara Ali Khan was seen telling some shairis to Akshay Kumar, for which he also reacted in the video and said, if you are trying to tell me a shairi, or if you are trying to find a proper rhyming word, then isse ghatiya aur kuch nahi ho sakta. Now this is going viral on internet, and people are only talking about this particular scene from the sets of Atrangi Re. Well, those were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.